Hello guys, heartily welcome to my channel. Okay, some people has unwanted facial hair which makes the dull face. Okay, now I am going to show how to reduce from that. To correct the waxing or doing shaving. Disadvantages of face is increase the as well as we are using the blade is creating a dark patches in the face. In this video, we are going to show how to reduce unwanted hair with the remedies. Now I will show you the ingredients which we want to use for this. So we want the turmeric powder and we want 1 lemon and we want some butter, okay, and we want we want a gram flour and we can use green gram flour also, is no problem, but I am using only gram flour. You can use green gram flour and also it is very useful to us and we have lot of benefits with those. Okay, now again we want the last ingredient, that is milk. Now you have to take empty cup, 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Okay, I took 2 tablespoons of gram flour in a clean bowl and 1 I have unwanted hair at my hand also. If you have unwanted hairs in your face, you have to put at your face wherever you have a unwanted hair. Okay, actually I have to do my face, but and also I have unwanted hair for my hand. Okay, you can put it very easily and very smoothly. Okay, green gram flour gives lightening and skinniness breaks the hair from our features. It keeps our hands smooth and shiny. Turmeric powder, and actually we use turmeric powder for this. Turmeric powder prevents the regrowth of the facial hairs. Okay, and we also added the lemon. Okay, with the lemon, after 5 minutes, rub it with the hand as I do. Okay, actually we use butter to present the dryness while rubbing our face and keep it moisturizing. Now see my hand guys, by rubbing, see now the unwanted facial hair has been removed. Okay, now I will remove by rubbing the cream facial pack. Now it's getting, now I removed unwanted hair wherever I have. So I'm just doing to my hand, but you have to do wherever you have unwanted hair, at your face, upper lip, eyebrows, hand, etc, etc. So you can do wherever you want to remove your unwanted hair. Okay, you have to do it only whenever you want to remove your unwanted hair. If you don't shave and don't do wax, with these two process you will get the dark patches on your face. So with the dark patches will get the face black and very dirty, and it's not look good and lightening growing. Okay, so just do it how I am did to my hand. You have to just do it wherever you have an unwanted hair. With this process you will get the very changes and very different glowing and also etc. Actually we use turmeric powder. With the turmeric powder we have a lot of benefits, and we are using the lemon. With the lemons will with the hand it's hide the darkness of your skin after hair removal. Okay, thank you guys. After seeing my video, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Bye bye.